Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, getting you the best of the best and the real out of real. This past Monday, Spice had a viewing party for VH1's Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. She had a major turnout with many fans and celebrity supporters. Being that Safari is a fellow Jamaican, he welcomed Spice into the Love and Hip Hop family very well, and of course supporting her at her viewing party. He posted this on his Instagram. Spice was also in the interview and they had a very particular question to ask Sarah. Check out this video.
Everybody think that I had a sexual relationship with Vybz Kartel. The truth is no, we weren't in a sexual relationship. Vybz Kartel is like the king of dancehall. Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, you can't really date him right now. Yeah.
No, he's incarcerated, but he's the king of dancehall, the new king of dancehall. So if I bring up Vybz Kartel, he's like the one that gave me my first Billboard hit song, Rampin Shop. A lot of people know me from Rampin Shop.
Right. Seems like Foot to Hype is in a very forgiving mood. He posted this video and tagged a bunch of people.
Likewise, we must forgive those who have hurt us. Come on, people. God is love, and love covers a multitude of sinners. Let love flow. Let it go, and let God arise in your hearts.
Khago is climbing the Billboard chart. Started off at number 5. He's now at number 2. He of course has celebrated that monument throughout the past couple weeks, but we'll see if he'll make it to number 1. That is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.